Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. Life is not a matter of holding good cards, but of playing a poor hand well. I kept always 2 books in my pocket, one to read, one to write in. I travel not to go anywhere, but to go. I travel for travel's sake. The great affair is to move. There is no duty we so much underrate as the duty of being happy. By being happy we sow anonymous benefits upon the world. We are all travelers in the wilderness of this world, and the best we can find in our travels is an honest friend. Keep your fears to yourself, but share your courage with others. So long as we love, we serve. So long as we are loved by others, I would almost say that we are indispensable, and no man is useless while he has a friend. The cruelest lies are often told in silence. There are no foreign lands. It is the traveler only who is foreign. A friend is a gift you give yourself. Quiet minds cannot be perplexed or frightened, but go on in fortune or misfortune at their own private pace, like a clock during a thunderstorm. To be what we are, and to become what we are capable of becoming, is the only end of life. You can give without loving, but you can never love without giving. To know what you prefer instead of humbly saying amen to what the world tells you you ought to prefer, is to have kept your soul alive. The difficulty of literature is not to write, but to write what you mean, not to affect your reader, but to affect him precisely as you wish. There are 2 things that men should never weary of, goodness and humility. We get none too much of them in this rough world among cold, proud people. You cannot run away from a weakness, you must sometimes fight it out or perish. And if that be so, why not now and where you stand? You must suffer me to go my own dark way. Everyone, at some time or another, sits down to a banquet of consequences. Our business in life is not to succeed, but to continue to fail in good spirits. I regard you with an indifference closely bordering on aversion. Make the most of the best and the least of the worst. Perpetual devotion to what a man calls his business is only to be sustained by perpetual neglect of many other things.